Good morning, good morning, good morning! Welcome to... Good morning po! Welcome to our vlog. This is your lover girl. And this is your bebe girl. Oh, okay. For today's video, pupunta tayo sa Guimaras. And this is our... Hinaan mo naman yan. This is our last day here in Iloilo. And sa Guimaras tayo pupunta. So, let's go, let's go, let's go! Alright, muli. Ulit. Alright. Good morning po! Thank you. Ano? Alright. Let's go. Nila, pag-take ng Roro from Iloilo City papuntang Guimaras is only 10 minutes. So, ang lapit-lapit niya lang. So, let's go to the Roro station para makapunta tayong Guimaras. From our hotel, nag-taxi kami papuntang port. Medyo saglit lang siya. Mga 10 minutes away. And dito yung port, sasakay na tayo. And after 10 minutes, nandito na po tayo. Magsusulat po tayo or magre-register dito pag hindi tayo taga Guimaras. At si Carl ang ating taga-sulat ngayon. And our tour guide for today is... It's me! Myself and I.
Beautiful girl.
Oh, Guimaras Island.
So this is the map of Guimaras map. So San Lorenzo, Sibunag, Buena Vista, Nueva Valencia, Jordan. Gusto mo ba ng Jordan?
Guys, madadaanan niyo yung smallest plaza here sa Guimaras, which is nasa Guinness record siya. Pero baka mabangga kayo. Tapos pasukin natin yung plaza.
Alright.
The smallest plaza in the Philippines can be found in Guimaras Island. This once earned a title in the Guinness Book of World Record as the smallest plaza in the world. The plaza has a small statue of the Philippine national hero, Jose Rizal. The area is just about 200 to 300 square meters, just enough size to be called a plaza. It is definitely cute, occupying a fraction of a triangle-shaped street island. Surrounding the pedestal is a garden of carefully trimmed santan flowers. You can also wear some costume and the people there will accommodate you and take photos and videos that you want.
Alright. Let's go. So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Mangrove. Picturean siya along the way.
Along the way, may makikita kayong parang forest na pwede niyong pagpicturean. Pero optional lang naman siya. Pwede kayong mag-take, pwede ding hindi.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
And sarado po siya. So, dadaan na lang tayo at sa labas na lang yung video natin.
Guimaras is famous for producing one of the sweetest mangoes in the world. But unfortunately, closed siya kaya di tayo makakapasok. Hindi natin makikita yung mga puno ng mangga.
Baka mapunta na naman sa tayo. Dadaan na po tayo sa
Hi guys.
We're here in Capiz, kung saan mo makikita yung mga monks. So, magmamok si Carol dito. Magpapakalbo na siya. Today's video. Tada!
The Our Lady of the Philippines Monastery is a Trappist monastery on Jordan Guimaras, Philippines, and it's the only Trappist monastery in the country. Hello guys! Hello tigers! Nasa Alibunit tayo. And this is a beach resort na magsiswimming tayo and mag-picture. Let's go! Alabijot Cove is a quiet and relaxing place to stay in Guimaras. The beach is good, very inviting for a swim. This white sand beach resort, though small, can be compared to white sand beach of Boracay. Pwede din kayo mag-rent ng cottages, and also, if you want overnight, meron din sila mga rooms. There is also a place na pwede kayong mag-order ng drinks and coffee.
So guys, may tambayan po dito. You see, nakahiga lang ako. Tambayan yan. While drinking the mango shake and the coffee. Order sana kami magkarita kaso wala. Wait lang.
I love Guimaras so much. Is this Gimares right? Am I right? Am I right, girl? Am I right?
Your left.
Alam mo, nonchalant ka. Ako, plus nonchalant, B. I'm so... Oo, B, nakakahiya ka nang hingi ka pa sa kabilang cottage ng spaghetti. Happy birthday po kung sino pong may birthday sa kabilang cottage.
Tapos na kami mag-swimming. Ngayon, babalik na kami sa port. Tapos bibili kami ng mangga. Let's go. We're buying mangga. Okay, so bumili po tayo ng dried mango at ng manggang pampasaluto. And we will end our vlog here in Guimaras. And this is all for today. Ciao!